It's a frustrating and common puzzle. The water pressure in your shower is great, the kitchen sink is fine, but your bathroom faucet is just a trickle. When low water pressure is isolated to a single fixture, it means the problem isn't with your home's main supply. The good news is, the fix is often surprisingly simple. Before you worry, check the most common cause by far: a clogged aerator. The aerator is the small screen assembly at the very tip of your faucet. Over time, it traps mineral deposits and tiny bits of debris. Simply unscrew it, take apart the screen and washer, and use a small brush and some vinegar to clean it thoroughly. Rinse the parts and screw it back on. This solves the problem more than half the time. If cleaning the aerator didn't work, the next step is to look under the sink. You'll see two shutoff valves, one for hot and one for cold, that control the water to that specific faucet. Sometimes these can be accidentally bumped or not fully opened after a previous repair. Make sure both valves are turned all the way counterclockwise to the fully open position. If the valves are open but the pressure is still low, the blockage could be in the supply line or the faucet itself. A good way to test this is to turn the shutoff valves off, disconnect the flexible supply line from the faucet, aim the hose into a bucket, and briefly turn the valve on. If you get a strong blast of water, you know the problem isn't in the line, it's inside the faucet. If you have good pressure coming to the faucet but not out of it, the blockage is most likely in the faucet's internal cartridge. This component controls the mix of hot and cold water, and its small ports can get clogged with debris, especially after work has been done on the city's water mains. While replacing a faucet cartridge can sometimes be a DIY project, it can also be complex, requiring specific tools and knowledge of your faucet model. If you've tried the simple fixes or you aren't comfortable taking your faucet apart, it's a good time to call for professional help to avoid causing any damage. A single stubborn faucet can disrupt your routine. For a fast, professional diagnosis and repair, trust the licensed experts. The team at Black Mountain Plumbing can quickly identify the blockage and get your water flowing properly again. Visit them at blackmountainplumbing.com or call today.